Sensor-based condition monitoring increases production capacity, motors' lifespan, and businesses' top line. Traditionally, predictive maintenance solution relies on Wi-Fi, cloud, internet, remote servers, and electricity. Our solution requires none of these. The solution consists of a sensor board and a mobile tablet. Sensor board is attached to the motor. Sensor data from the motor is captured on mobile tablet using BLE or USB. With few touch buttons, captured data is compiled into an AI model customized for the motor. The AI application is downloaded onto sensor board. Sensor board is then left running on batteries connected to motor for up to a year. Entire end-to-end solution is trained and deployed in Austere environments with no electricity, no cloud, no internet, and in the stealth mode with absolute privacy and security. Contact us to find more.